Have you ever felt trapped in a corporate job, wishing you could run your own business? I know exactly how you feel. Today, I'm going to share the 5 steps I use to break free from the corporate grind and build a thriving, profitable business, all while keeping my day job. You see, I was wired to be an entrepreneur. I was just a 10-year-old kid when I got my first paper out. I took every job someone would give me just so I could make some money. I even sold candy out of the back of my tent at scout camp. Growing up in a big family taught me that if I wanted something, I had to find a way to get it. And I did. Fast forward a decade and I found myself climbing the corporate ladder and even earned an MBA. On paper, I was successful, but something was missing. I felt unfulfilled and stuck. Sound familiar? Then one day we hired a remarkable woman, living on Pebble Beach, holding multiple patents, and running a trail of successful companies. Just curious, I asked her, "How'd you do it?" Her response? "You know the difference between you and me? You have great ideas, but I acted on mine." That one hurt. That moment changed my life. I realized that having an idea wasn't enough. I needed to take action. No, I didn't have the next Facebook ready to go. I decided to buy a profitable business. And here's how it led to over 1.2 million in profits, all while holding on to my day job. Here are the 5 steps I use to make it happen. First, define your acquisition criteria. Not every business is right for you, but any business can be profitable if you stick to your criteria. I mean, I know people making millions picking up dog poop.
Wow.
For me, I looked for businesses with an existing manager and priced no more than 3 times cash flow. The industry didn't matter. Next, search business broker sites. Small businesses are bought and sold just like homes. I scoured broker sites and requested information on several businesses until I found ones that matched my criteria. Review several options before you make an offer. This gives you experience reviewing financials and a better idea of what you're looking for. I have a degree in finance, so I could build a model and see what opportunities made sense. If you don't feel comfortable in this area, get help. Once I found a business that met my criteria, I made an offer. If you're unsure where to start, consult an expert. I preferred starting with service businesses priced between 2 and 4 times their cash flow. My first purchase was at 2.5 times cash flow, achieving a return on invested capital in under 3 years. I was lucky, and my first offer was accepted. If they don't take your offer and their price is outside of your valuation, don't overpay. It will just make things worse later on. Step 4 is evaluating financing options. There are numerous ways to finance a business: SBA loans, bank loans, or even something called a self-directed 401k. That's right. You can use 401k money to invest in yourself. Find the one that fits your situation. In my case, I used a self-directed 401k and some of my savings to purchase the business. Finally, create a day one plan. I knew the existing manager might be looking for a new job, so my goal was to set him at ease and build a partnership, ensuring he stayed on board. This allowed me to manage the business as a side hustle while maintaining my corporate job. So there you have it, the 5 steps to acquiring your first business. Are you ready to take control of your future and achieve financial independence? To help you get started, I've written an ebook on buying your first business from start to finish. It's a comprehensive guide with worksheets and checklists to help you along the way. If you want this resource, follow me and leave a comment below saying you're interested. I'll reach out directly and send you a link. Happy hunting.